At the last page.
Okay.
Last.
So once again, we can quickly recollect it. What was the story? The story is related to a theft, right? From Mrs. Shinde's family, a gold chain was missing, and she told it was taken by her servant Shanti. And also she found a 10,000 rupee with her. And what they did, they police station and file a case there. Case. I will tell, listen here. They file a case there, and the police officer came to their house and they arrested Shanti and take that 10,000 as an evidence. And her brother, he reached the police station and he said that that is the hard money they earned. It is not the money they theft from anywhere. But the police officer is not ready to hear them. And also he abused and beaten her brother also, and take illegal custody of him for 2 days. And after 1 month only, she got a bail. But due to no one is there for her to pay for rupees 20,000 or stand for her as a surety, what happened to her? Again, she sent to the jail. And according to Article 22 of the Constitution and 39A, which guarantees a person to be defended in the court, as per she got an advocate. That is, what is her name?
Kamala Roy.
Kamala Roy. Okay. Then she handed over the case paper to her advocate, and the advocate, she appeared for her in the court. And finally, after the testimonies and all, she proved that that portion we completed, right? So she cross-examined. There is a public prosecutor is there, and also Kamala Roy is there, and they questioned the witnesses. And the advocate Roy examines whom? Sushil and Mrs. Shinde. Okay, and after that, what happened at the last? After the trial was nearing completion, the Inspector Sharma, another inspector called Inspector Sharma, he has arrested a gang of young men who is stealing the jewelry from Shinde's house, neighborhood. And he also find out the gold chain of Mrs. Shinde from them. Okay. So another police officer called Sharma, when he arrested a gang of boys who have been stealing the jewelry from the neighborhood. At that time, we discussed if the same incident happened to the nearby houses also, right? So the police officer arrested a gang of boys, which include this Shinde son's friends. Okay, these gang include the Shinde son's friends, and Mrs. Shinde's chain also find from them. So who took her chain? This gang of boys took her chain. And after hearing all this testimony, the judge decided
to give him back the money.
To give back the money to Shanti.
Shanti is innocent, okay, and she acquitted. She is acquitted. And also he mentioned about the police officer. Which police officer? Rao. Because what happened? Did he investigate it properly?
No, ma'am.
He was criticized for his shoddy investigation that made her spend her time in jail. Okay, that was the example. So children, here we discussed about 4 important players of criminal justice system. Please close your textbooks, okay? Four players of criminal justice system. You know who are they?
Police.
So remember, I told you, please don't open the textbook, okay? You think and answer. The first person related to this case is whom?
Ma'am, police.
Police. Yes, police. So the first player of the criminal justice system is police. After police,
Ma'am, public
Court.
prosecutor.
court.
Ma'am,
In court, who are they?
Ma'am, public
Kamala
prosecutor.
Roy.
Public prosecutor is there. After that,
Defense lawyer.
defense lawyer is there, and also a
Judge. Judge.
So from the story, you can hear the four major players. One is the police. Police is there too. Alna, your father is police officer, right? Where, dear? Okay, then. So the first is the police. After that,
Public
there will
prosecutor.
be a public
Prosecutors.
prosecutor.
Defense lawyer.
Defense lawyer,
Judge.
and also a
Judge.
judge. Okay, these are the four players of criminal justice system. So who are the players of criminal justice system? Who are they? Police,
Police,
Public prosecutor,
Defense lawyer.
a
defense
judge,
lawyer.
and also a defense lawyer. So each of them are doing different works, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So first we are going to discuss about the
Police.
role of police in investigating a crime. The role of police. Children, please don't open your textbook because I don't need the textual answer. That's why. Close your textbooks. So what is the role of police in investigating a crime?
Ma'am, to investigate the issues and all.
And
to
what is
collect
the case
evidence
that
and
given?
prevent-
They will collect
Proof,
evidences.
evidence.
Yes, they are investigating a crime. Louder,
Ma'am.
anyone
Ma'am.
can answer.
And
Ma'am,
they will
file
ask
FIR.
questions
They
of
need a evidence
witnesses.
that can be
Wait, at a time one person. Okay, Ashmi?
Ma'am, witnesses, they will ask witnesses what happened.
Yes, they will question them, right? Witnesses will be there. Okay, they will record the details from the witnesses. Okay, then.
Send something.
And they need a strong evidence.
Abhinav, I
Otherwise-
told you I don't need the textual answer. These answers are not from the textbook. Okay. Textbook answer we can discuss later. I am asking to you what all things you know.
Ma'am, they
About
need
the
a strong
Ma'am, they will
evidence.
collect
They need a
FIR.
strong
They
evidence.
will collect the evidence and after that they will record. They will ask the witness and they will record it.
Ma'am,
Then
they will file FIR.
louder.
Ma'am, file
They
FIR.
file an FIR. Okay.
And the court will be managed.
Then
They will give it to the court.
and they
Ma'am.
submit it to the court, right?
Court.
And they are submitting a charge sheet in the court. Okay. After
Yes.
once their investigation is over, they are submitting their charge sheet. They are assigning that charge to who? To the court. Charge sheet is presented to the court. Yes, the same thing is a function of or the role of police in investigating a crime. What is the role of police in investigating a crime? An important function of police is to investigate a complaint about if we are giving a complaint in the police station related to a crime, what they will do? They will investigate it. And investigation include what all things? They are recording the statements of witnesses. That point you said. First, they will record the statement of witnesses and also collect the different kinds of evidences. So once a crime happened, the police will reach there and they will collect, record the statement from witnesses. If any witness is there, they will record their statement and also they will collect evidences. And after that, on the basis of the investigation, the police are required to form an opinion. And also if the police think that the evidence point to a guilt person, what they will do? They file a charge sheet in the court. So if they feel that anyone is accused person will be there, they will file a charge sheet and submit it to the court.
Court.
Okay, so what is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
role of police in investigating a crime? What is the role of police?
And they will
Ma'am, to
They are
record the
record
statement and
investigating a
also
crime.
collect
What the police
evidence.
will do? They are investigating a crime.
Crime.
If once a complaint they got, they will investigate about that particular case.
They
And
will
what they will
record
do?
this. And they will
Ma'am, they will
record the
record
statement and
evidences.
also collect
First what
evidence.
they will do? They will record the
Record the
statements
statement.
of the witnesses. If any witness is there, they will record the statement. And after that, they will collect the evidences. And from all that, they came to know that if any person is guilty, or he did the crime, they will file a charge sheet and submit it to where?
Court.
court.
The court. Okay. Then, who is deciding a person is innocent or a guilty?
Ma'am, judge.
It is by the judge.
Judge.
It is by the judge. It is by the court. The judge is deciding whether a person is guilty or not. It is not the duty of the police. What is the duty of the police? They are investigating a crime, and if they feel that any person is guilty, they are collecting enough evidences against them and charge that to the court. Okay. And always remember, who is deciding a person is guilty or innocent?
Judge.
The judge, not by the police. Then we studied rule of law, right? What do you mean by rule of law?
Ma'am, all laws are applicable to all citizens equally, and no one is above the law.
No one is above the law. That means even though the police is also not above the law, they are also at the time of investigation also, their investigation also must be within the law. Their investigation also must be within the law, and also they must follow. The Supreme Court laid down some guidelines that the police must follow at the time of arrest, detention, and interrogation. So our Supreme Court, always remember, rule of law. Law is supreme. No one is above the law. And also based on that principle, our Supreme Court laid down some guidelines to the police. Some guidelines to the police related to the arrest of a person, related to the detention, and also to the interrogation. Interrogation means what?
Question.
Questioning. Interrogative sentence you studied, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Interrogation means questioning. Detention?
Mm,
Keeping
should
in
not
illegal custody.
custody.
Yeah, keeping illegal custody by the police. Yes.
Okay.
And also after arrest also it will be like that. Okay, so the Supreme Court, the police must follow some of the guidelines related to the arrest, detention, and interrogation. And the police are not allowed. Always remember, once a person is arrested, the police are not allowed to torture or beat or shoot anyone during the investigation. Okay, at the time of investigation, they are not allowed to torture or to shoot or beat a person. And Article 22. Which article? Article 22 of our Constitution guarantee some rights to the arrested person. Always remember, some articles we are studying in this chapter. Another important is Article 22 guarantees some fundamental right to whom?
The arrested
To the
person.
arrested person.
To the arrested person. Okay. The Article 22 guarantees some fundamental rights to the arrested person. So children, we discussed what is the role of police in investigating a crime. What is the role of police in investigating a crime?
They investigate the crime.
They will record the
After that, record the statements.
statement.
First, they will, if one say,
Record the
They will investigate. Once they get a complaint,
They will
what they will do?
investigate.
Investigate.
They will investigate. And what are the procedures?
Ma'am, first got the
First,
statement,
they will record the witness
state-
statement. Then
And also collect evidence.
collect
collect
evidences.
evidences.
Evidence.
They collect evidences. After that,
If
Anyone
any person is
Ma'am.
guilty, they will be filed a
They-
charge to
Ma'am,
wait. Yes, Ashmit.
ma'am, if the crime is a murder, there's also forensic report, right?
Yes. That is evidence for collecting evidences.
Okay, ma'am.
For collecting evidence. That's so
Oh, it
many
comes
movies
under
are there,
that.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
forensic.
Ma'am,
Forensic.
there's a
forensic
movie
is there.
named Forensic itself.
Forensic is there. Then action hero Biju one movie is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Police station, police there, investigation and all, right?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, this forensic department is a part of police department.
That means for evidences. Some crimes, for evidences, forensic.
And then cyber cells.
That is related to cyber crimes.
That for
ICT,
tracking,
mobile and
ma'am,
all.
for tracking the
That is
Mobile
related
phones
to mobile phones or IT
And
related.
social media problems.
Social media. It is all related to the IT sector, information technology. That is coming under. They can approach any department as a part of their investigation.
Okay.
and
for
they can
tracing.
also track an unknown call.
Yes, that's why they are depending on particular departments. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So after that, what they will do? They will file a charge sheet and submit it to the court. Always remember, children, who is deciding a person is guilty or
Judge.
Judge.
it is not the duty of the police. It is decided by
Judge.
who?
Judge.
The judge.
And also the police must follow some guidelines.
Yes.
Police must follow some
Guidelines.
at the time of arrest,
Arrest a
detention
person.
and interrogation of a person. And now we are going to discuss what are the rights guaranteed by the Constitution. Which article?
Article
Article
22.
22.
Article
Fundamental
22.
22.
Article 22. It's coming under the fundamental rights.
rights.
Article 12 to 32 include our fundamental rights. So Article 22 guarantees every person, every arrested person that have the following fundamental rights. Okay. So which are the fundamental rights guaranteed by the Constitution to the arrested person? A question will be there like that. Which are the fundamental rights guaranteed by the Constitution for the arrested person? First one. Right to be informed. First one is right to be informed. What?
They should be informed before being arrested.
The right to be, listen here, he should be arrested at the time of arrest, the offense for which the person is being arrested. Okay.
Ma'am, they should say you are arrested for theft like that.
Suppose if, my example always you need, right? Okay. Suppose I did a crime. Okay. And it is my right. A police officer came to my house to arrest me. And it is my right to know for what offense he is arresting me. Clear?
Okay.
That is the right to be informed at the time of arrest. For what? Of the offense for which the person is arrested. Same if a police officer came to arrest me, I have the right. What right? To know for what purpose they are
You were
arresting.
arrested.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
That is the first fundamental right. What is the first right for that person?
Right to
Right
be
to
Right
be
to be
informed.
informed.
When at the time of arrest of the offense for which the person is to be
Arrested.
arrested. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
That is a fundamental right guaranteed by the Constitution for whom?
From the arrested.
For the arrested person. So the first right, is it clear to you all children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes. Yes.
What is that?
right
The
to
right to be
Right to
informed
be
at the time
informed.
of arrest. The right to be informed at the time of arrest of the offense for which the person is being arrested. Whoever it is, What is the offense he did? It is his right to know for what purpose he is arrested by the police.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Yeah,
some
right in the board.
hide
that-
somewhere, right?
Yes, that
Ma'am,
is also.
so they should also know why they are being
Ah,
arrested.
that we can also do, but it's a normal procedure. Once they came to arrest us, these are our rights. That people will do. They will hide.
No.
So it's quite natural.
Ma'am, some child cases are there, right? Like in juvenile home. and
That
all.
we will discuss. Okay. Juvenile home, that means the children.
Ma'am, so for them also, this is their right to be informed that they will also be informed why they are being arrested.
That for kids it is different.
Okay.
That we will discuss. The last point we will discuss about that. They cannot be called simply by the police. It is not possible. If a child is below the age of 15, it is not possible to call him simply for questioning and all.
Okay.
It is also against the law.
Okay, ma'am.
And
Okay.
for the children, they have a juvenile homes only.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
That is only juvenile homes. They are not like a jail or nothing is there for them. We call it as a juvenile home. Okay. After 18 years only, we will consider him as an adult person and a crime and following this laws and all.
Okay. Ma'am.
Okay, the first is the right to
Right
be
to be informed.
informed. Second one, the right to be presented before a judge. Okay. Within 24 hours of arrest. So once a person is arrested, within 24 hours, he must be presented before a judge. That is also the right of the arrested person. So once I arrested, it is a duty of the police to present me before the judge within 24 hours of arrest. Then, the right not to be ill-treated or tortured during arrest. The police cannot beat or
Harm the arrested person.
to the arrested person.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you say the second?
Second one means once a person is arrested, he should be presented before the judge within 24 hours of his arrest.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, third one, right to.
The second point is clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I say again second one?
Second point means suppose a person is arrested, okay? He should be presented before a judge within 24 hours of his arrest. That you watched the movie Action Hero, Biju?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That movie, you see that scene?
Yes.
A person was,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, to the home of a judge. They are
then he will
Yes.
take within 24 hours. That is a compulsory. He should be presented before a judge. Home, anywhere, within 24 hours, he should be presented before the judge.
Judge.
And the third one is the right not to be ill-treated or tortured during the arrest or in custody. So once a person is arrested, he cannot be tortured or ill-treated by the police. That means the police have no right to beat a person or torture a person.
Ma'am, can you repeat that again? Right to.
The right to be ill-treated, right? Not to be ill-treated. The right not to be ill-treated or tortured during the arrest. A person cannot be ill-treated. That means he cannot be beaten or cannot be harassed or cannot be shoot, or police cannot do anything like that in police custody. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And the next one is confessions made in the police custody cannot be used as an evidence. Confessions made under the police custody cannot be used as an evidence. Why?
Ma'am,
Because that can be a lie.
What is confessions?
Confession means what?
I'm confessing the truth.
Confessing that if a person is admitting that I did it, and
That
he's
is
saying
called
because of these things I did it, but it is not taken as an evidence. Why?
And because
they know
sometimes
that
the policemen
police
force
will
them
be saying that,
to say
force them
so.
to say that.
The police will?
Must
Force
have
them to
forced
say
them
that.
to say so.
Say,
The police will force them. Yes, that is the
Sometimes
answer.
to hide their crimes, they will
yes.
make other people say that they did that.
Yes, that is the same thing as the answer. That means sometimes the police will create a terror among the people, right? Sometimes the police will beat them and force them to admit the crime. Or sometimes they will have a terror. The police will create a terror feeling, and so because of that, maybe he is admitting the crime. Okay, so that confession cannot be taken as an evidence.
Can you say the forthwith
Confession
confession
made in the
made?
police custody cannot be used as an evidence. The reason is clear why their confession is not considering as an evidence, because sometimes the police may create a terror around the accused in order to make them confess. Okay, police may create a terror among the people, so that confession cannot be taken as a evidence. And also,
Ma'am, can you repeat the fourth?
fourth point, the same point here, the confession. Beyond confession point.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, the confession made in the police custody cannot be used as an evidence. Confession made in police custody cannot be used as an evidence. Confession made in police custody cannot be used as an evidence.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And the last point that you asked, a boy under 15 years of age and women cannot be called to police station only for questioning. A boy under 15 years of age and also a woman cannot be called to the police station for questioning. Okay.
Can you say anything the point?
The point, a boy under 15 years of age and women, they cannot be called to the police station only for questioning. They cannot be called to the police station simply for questioning.
Ma'am, women age is there.
Women at any age, no problem.
Okay.
Women at any age, women cannot be called for the police station simply for questioning.
Ma'am, some rule is there, right? After 6 o'clock, women should
yes,
not
yes.
sit in the police.
For arresting a woman, so many other rules are also there. See, if you want to arrest a woman, the police must have a lady constable.
Lady constable.
Only lady constables can arrest a woman.
Yes, ma'am, I have heard about that.
Yes, only a lady constable can arrest a woman.
As a woman.
Ma'am, so why?
Suppose if the police officer came to my house to arrest me. Okay, but if they are only gents, they cannot arrest me. Because it is my right. If they want to arrest me, their team must include whom?
Lady constable.
Ladies constable. Only if there is a ladies constable, the women can be arrested, and also before 6 o'clock, she should be arrested. After 6 o'clock, suppose the police is coming to my house to arrest me at 7 o'clock, no need to go with them. Even though they have warrant and everything is with them, no need to go with them. Because it's a right. Before 6 o'clock,
They have to go.
Boys
and
no problem.
Boys anytime.
Anytime.
There is no like that. Only for the children that law is there. See, children, a recent incident happened here, right? You know that Mattai, one person, he died illegally under police custody.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, one farmer, right?
Yes. He was illegally arrested by the police and he died in police custody. So that type of ill treatment and torturing are strictly against the law. But even though,
So while questioning the woman, also lady constable should be there.
yes, they must be presented there.
Okay.
For arresting a woman, these are the major procedures. Okay, that's why. So
Ma'am,
many-
women are even lucky for such things also.
Yes, that's why. See, children. So, children, these are the yes.
Ma'am, the woman is arrested by 7 o'clock. Then going to.
No need to go.
Ma'am,
Yes.
if they arrest the woman at exactly 6 o'clock, they will go or not.
The police, they will arrest her before that. Okay.
Mama, after 6 after 6
Ma'am,
o'clock.
exactly 6 o'clock. If they are arresting, it will be there.
That's
Ma'am,
okay.
1 minute
After
is
6
slow.
o'clock
What
only.
happened? Okay, ma'am.
After 6 o'clock only. She can't.
Ma'am, in that gold smuggling case, that lady was kept in the custody, right?
Yes,
Ma'am,
because she
so
didn't get a bail.
ma'am, so in the evening also she was kept in one.
Once only arresting that is there, okay. Once we are arrested, we can send to jail, and if they prove that we didn't get a bail, we will be in the jail. That is exemption. They are in the men is there, right? Two kinds of jails are there.
Yes,
For men and women jails are there. So that is an exemption. Only for arresting a woman, not possible after 6 o'clock.
Ma'am, it becomes 6.05. What they will do.
Not possible. If I am saying time over, they cannot arrest.
No, ma'am, if a girl is arrested in the building top and the policeman came in correct 6 o'clock,
Oh.
they are climbing in the
That is too much
lift
real.
and so many minutes.
This is not film, okay? Guaranteed to a person, to the person whom arrested. Okay. Alna.